Once I have those both ingredients in there, you're just going to want to mix it all up really good. And now I am going to set this inside of the refrigerator until my layer of peanut butter and frosting get a little bit hardened up. All right, our peanut butter layer number 1 is nice and hardened up, so we're gonna slide that to the side and bring a bowl over. We are adding another jar of Jif peanut butter because, you know, this, I don't know, big debate. What type of peanut butter is your favorite? Skippy, Jif, what else is there? There's a ton of them out there now, huh? So we have that peanut butter in there. Now we're adding some chocolate frosting. Ooh, yes, because chocolate and peanut butter is where it's at. Now we're just going to stir it all up. Look at that, it's so swirly. Getting the peanut butter and the chocolate mixed together. It's like they belong together. That's perfect right there. Let's move this over and bring our first layer. And we are just pouring this all over the top. Look, ooh-wee. You guys, this is such, I can't even stress enough what an easy treat this is. And if you guys make this, you're gonna be blown away by how good it is. I love this stuff. So let's just move this other layer with the chocolate and the peanut butter on top, just smoothing it out, evening it up, trying not to lick your fingers in the meantime. That's what I'm telling myself. Ooh, I just wanna lick all this spatula. Okay, that looks so nice. Now, because we're feeling some Valentine's Day vibes, let's come in with a little bit of white sprinkles here on the top. I'm just going to sprinkle them over. And of course, if you didn't want to use the sprinkles, that's totally fine. But I love putting a little bit of a Valentine's Day, you know, twist on it, kick on it, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so how about some red sprinkles? Just pairing those up so nicely with the white. Fun fact, actually, my daughter was born on Valentine's Day, so she will be 7 soon. Can't believe it. Okay, that is looking great. Look at that. Look at those layers you have there. You have the peanut butter, the chocolate. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good. All we're gonna do now is put it back in the fridge. We're gonna wait until it all hardens up, that second layer, and it's gonna be ready to eat. And it's gonna be so good. Oh, I can't wait. Our fudge is all done and it looks so good. Ooh, I love the sprinkles. I love that it's a little bit of a Valentine's Day theme here. I'm gonna dig right into this. I can tell by the consistency, this is the perfect texture for fudge. And oh my gosh, with these 2 ingredients, it was so easy to make. So I'm giving myself a nice hefty piece right here. Ooh, yum. Peanut butter and chocolate is my favorite.
We know.
Ooh, here we go. Look at that. You have the layer of peanut butter with, oh, and then the layer of more chocolate. Oh my gosh, yes, let's get in here. Wow, look at how good that is. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that texture is so good. This stuff is really easy to make. You might even already have the ingredients in your house. I don't even know what to say. What a great treat this is. Everybody's getting this for Valentine's Day from me.